Hello, my name is Sebastian Vidal. We are talking about of the internet. The internet it was created in 1966 by Americans to enter the system of others in wars and was named ARPANET. After several years, the NFS created another network joining it with ARPANET. They joined this network with another, and that's how the famous internet was created. First, advances. First, it had four servers. It was evolving, and today it has more than 100 billion. The World Wide Web (WWW) was created in 1993. The first browser called Mosaic was created. Search engines that help search and find information faster. Email that could only be used by scientists can now be used by everyone. Advantage: more speed when communication. Contain good information that help us in our lives. We can find video games or movies for entertainment. Allows long distance communication. Helps to reform process the faster that you have hand. Disadvantage: people can get addicted. There may be only harassment. The information may not be secure. Some news is a lie. People prefer to talk on the web and not face to face. We found in a we found inappropriate content. What changed to internet in the world? Nothing buys newspaper anymore because they can find the information on the internet. People no longer go out to buy as they can at home. You can work and study virtually. Now the plans of the families it is not to go out or talk. It is to play and chat on the cell phone. Data sheet. Who created it? A group of scientists. When I when it was created, 1969 to 1975. Because and for what it's created to help in war and scientists. Where was it created? In United States. Material. They joined different social networks. Thanks for your attention.